Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, I wanted to tap y'all in to this little bit of market we have going on here. I haven't talked about this since back in 2022. I'm not a huge EMA guy, moving average guy, nor am I saying that this is an end all be all. I just simply wanted to make y'all aware of something that I haven't discussed here on the YouTubes since back in 2022. Okay. And it's simply just a potential marker, not an end all be all. This is the way. I'm just simply showing y'all some historical data here. Okay. Let's go back to 2015. Back here in 2015, on this weekly view, when the 20-week EMA crossed below the 100, this yellow crossing below the green, and that candle closed, okay, the candle that closed right after this cross, that marked essentially the exact bottom. The exact bottom of this downtrending bear market, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, there was some wick down here, but that essentially marked the exact bottom. Okay. Yes, you went sideways after and still had some more chances to buy that, but that essentially marked a good time to be buying some Bitcoin. Okay. We move forward to 2018. In this bear market bottom, when the 20 EMA crossed below the 100 EMA, that literally marked the exact bottom. If you bought on that candle closure, you bought 3,200, which was the exact bottom within $75. Okay. Even the COVID crash, even if you bought that, the COVID crash didn't even come touch your entry. Okay. The last time I spoke about this was in 2022 on a video update here on the YouTube. The 20 EMA crossing below the 100 EMA. And back here on the YouTube, this is when I said I was buying. This is when I said I was buying spot Bitcoin. Now, this one wasn't the exact bottom. However, if you bought on this candle closure at $20,500, yeah, we went down to 15, 16. Okay. And yes, again, you continue sideways. These bear markets aren't a V bottom. Okay. They're time based usually. Okay. They go sideways for a while, but that's still marked near the bottom on this one. Okay. And in hindsight, from 20,500 to 15 or 16K, were you really worried about the difference between that and that when you were getting this move after it? When you're up here, are you really worried about entering at 20,500 or 15,600? You weren't really too worried about it. And now, once again, as in 2015, 2018, and 2022, now here in 2026, we again have the 20 EMA officially cross the 100 EMA. Now, this candle hasn't closed, and we still have 5 days until it closed. So this candle could come all the way up, right? Or this candle could come lower. But I'm essentially just relaying information, historical data to you that in each of these previous 3 bear market bottoms, this cross in the candle closure that preceded it, or came after it, was a good time to buy Bitcoin. Whether that was the exact bottoming number close to it, or you got a little bit more action lower and had to go sideways for a little while, it just essentially marked a historically good time to buy Bitcoin. Now, is that going to be reliable again? Who knows? I was asking myself the same thing back here. Was this going to be a reliable data point based off 2 previous data points? It did prove fruitful. Is this now going to be a reliable data point based off 3 previous data points? Who knows? This could be the time it fails. This closure, this cross does not equal a fruitful time and we come much, much lower. All I'm providing is historical data to you guys. You're welcome.